The Mark Files, Episode 1, Attack of the Wrong Tool. Meet Mark, a craftsman who prides himself on getting the job done right. Today's task, a precision installation. No room for error.
All right, let's get this marked up.
First up, securing a mounting bracket. The holes are deep, the target is small.
Ugh, this bulky tip won't fit. And it's not even long enough to go through the hole.
The result? Guesswork. A recipe for rework and wasted time.
There has to be a better way.
A pro always has a secret weapon. Clean, precise, and ready for drilling. The job back on track. The extended micro tip reaches where others can't. The Dura-Ink Needle Nose 5 Advantage. Reaches the unreachable. Extended micro tip marks through holes and in tight spaces where other markers can't. Delivers pinpoint precision. Industrial strength fine tip creates sharp, clean, and easy-to-read marks for unmatched accuracy. Built to last, durable permanent ink is wear and water resistant for marks that stand up to the toughest job site conditions.
That's clear labeling and accurate spotting.
Don't just make a mark, make your mark. Dura-Ink Needle Nose 5 Permanent ink marker with extended micro tip.
Want to learn more about the Dura-Ink Needle Nose? Scan the QR code.